Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then select More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History. And then select Clear Browsing Data. And now you will find both basic and advanced options and features, so you have to mark those that you would like to delete. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you will have some more like saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. Smoothly mark those that you would like to remove. And finally personalized time range, so just click on time range. And here you can specify it, so I will pick all time, as I would like to remove the whole data from my Samsung Galaxy A6, and finally just click on clear data. And as you can see, there is no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So this is it, this is how you can smoothly and easily clear browsing data. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.